Hi, my name is Carl Wright. I'm a very active 81-year-old. I'm here to give you a 6-week post report on the Jiffy Knee operation. But first, let me give you a little bit about myself. I'm very active. I love to fish. I love to hunt. I love to build things. I work on my own vehicles. In fact, I was just under my truck changing the oil and the filter. I love to go to the gym, and I love my active lifestyle. When it came time to think about having my left knee done, I was reluctant because of the fact that I had the right knee done years ago, and it was very painful. And I took a lot of pain medication, and it took a long time to heal. But when I heard about the Jiffy Knee operation, I listened to several reports, and all the people had praised Dr. Sparks and the operation for the short operation, for the short recovery rate, for the lack of pain that was involved. And I just thought, maybe I'll give it a try. So I did. And I, too, am glad that I tried Dr. Sparks and this Jiffy Knee. And I have a very short recovery. I had a lot less pain, took a lot less pain medication, and I'm doing remarkably well. And I can give all my praise to Dr. Sparks for performing this operation and doing such a remarkable job. So I too recommend talk to Dr. Sparks, and you can be back to your normal lifestyle in a short period of time. So happy knees to you.